The commitment that the CHS Foundation has made to NDSU is that they allow us to try to flex our muscles and bring in more students and prepare them better so that when they go into the workforce, they're better prepared for that. Our goal is very simple. We want to get the smartest people and the best people who want to work in this industry in this program. CHS's initial contribution was to support the Commodity Trading Room initiative. We in this trading room, we try to replicate a trading room environment because of the interpersonal aspect of commodity markets is so important. Teach students where does information come from, how do you get that information, how do you make decisions.
I grew up on a farm in southeast North Dakota, and so I've always been around agriculture, really involved in the production side, but in high school I got exposed to the business side of the industry and fell in love with it. Coming into NDSU, I didn't really necessarily have a specific area of agribusiness that I was set on, so having been exposed to commodity trading in the lens of the commodity trading class taught in this classroom, I was able to kind of pick that out as where I want to go with my career. Having access to all these technologies, that gaining experience in those softwares, I'll be able to put those on my resume, which will give me a leg up as I enter the career space. The thing I love the most about commodity trading is that it's something different every day. There's always something new that's gonna move the market one way or the other, and so trying to stay ahead of that is a good challenge that I really enjoy. We do a really important job in agriculture of feeding the world, and with a growing population, that challenge gets bigger and bigger every day.
Our students do phenomenal in the job market. They get really good jobs, and that's because they're top students, they're well trained, and they're adaptable to learning different methodologies. I'm not certain how this would play out if we did not have the support of CHS Foundation in particular, because it allows us to flex our muscles a lot.
I see my role as the next generation in agriculture continuing to find solutions to the challenge of feeding the world.